Okay, Daniel Hamby coming to you here alive. A real airplane. Let's see what happens. All right, so got Joshua fueling up right here and getting ready to see what we can hook up. Looking good, looking good. All right, fueling it up, fueling it up. Okay, let's get ready to roll. All right, so here, gonna get with our friend, Andy over here, and we're gonna try to attach some kind of camera to this here. See what happens. All right.
Nice Sunday for it.
Perfect day. A little windy, but still great.
No, just get my skinny side.
A skinny side. All right, we're right here with Andy. We're playing around out here with the this 150. We're gonna mount some cameras on it. You just out here hanging out today too, huh?
Yeah, we're having a good time.
We got your little ride back here in the back, huh? Look at that. All right.
Skip all the wind back.
Looks good. Yes, nice. All right.
That way.
All right. Let's see what we can do. All right, we're gonna try to see what kind of shots we can get. All right.
Well, I noticed Rosa left your hair is hit the ground, and I know this, 'cause I watched and learned and did not make a sound. So much I'm gonna miss now that I'm gone. So much she's gonna learn now that I'm gone. I'm gone away now. Well, I breathe you, breathe through every step you've yet to take. And I love you, I love being the father Peyton made. So much I'm gonna miss now that I'm gone. So much she's gonna learn now that I'm gone. I'm gone away from now. Well, I miss you. You know I'm missing you, bro. You see me right now. Well, I noticed the hope inside your eyes has turned to black, and I know this turn out remain the same until I'm back. So much I'm gonna miss now that I'm gone. So much she's gonna learn